Alright, hello and welcome to the Adventure Family channel. Today we are checking out the Tesla CyberCab here on display in Bellevue, Washington at the Tesla store. And this is something we don't know a whole lot about, although it is already packed, as so much of Tesla is, its own share of controversy and questions. So let's just take a look at it and see, does it seem like it's going to be a realistic thing or not? Alright, this is the Tesla CyberCab. Stumbled upon this here in Bellevue in Washington, the Tesla store. We know that this is number 9 of 20 that at least had been made as of the event. And I think probably still only number 9 of 20. So, can't see a whole lot here from the outside, but honestly there's not a whole lot to see on the inside anyway because it's very Spartan and minimalistic on the inside. But this is meant to be the next big thing in Tesla's company, where with full self-driving, this is meant to get you around from point A to point B without needing a driver, and probably replace a lot of rideshare type use cases. So here we've got kind of a sort of like Model 3 refresh looking front here, although definitely a little bit different here with the light bar and hood look a little bit more extended, I'd say, a little more aggressive maybe. And then here are these gold wheels, and so you can actually really see quite well here that they are actually a combination of the wheel cap there and then just the painted part of the sidewall of the tire. And these are on normal Continental 18-inch tires, so kind of interesting little trick of the eye there. And then these doors, I think, are probably the most interesting part here from like an engineering standpoint. So good how they attach on here, and then the pistons that hold them up here. So that is what gives you these, what are we calling this? Goal? Falcon? Scissor? It's like a little bit different than anything else type of door. So, and then here on the inside, we've got 2 seats only. And there's quite a lot of space back here behind the seats, but obviously not used. So we can see the head wall back there. And here are the seats. Look pretty plush and actually quite wide, almost like like a economy plus type airline seat maybe. Cup holders in the middle. Seat belts. Nowhere to put your phone to charge, interestingly. Maybe some charging points there in the middle. And then this big screen in the middle where basically you just have your controls to put in your destination and I guess monitor as you're driving. We've seen a little bit of a sneak preview of that from the event itself. And then I'm sure there'll be like media controls and stuff in there for your entertainment while you're getting driven and chauffeured around automatically. So lots of space here, and obviously there's nothing in the way of the foot space here and up in the front. And like I said, nothing in the back. I haven't been able to see in the back here to know if there's any space or anything back there, but it does look at least like it would open. Here's the other wheel. And on the back here you can see, as denoted by the license plate number 9, you've got camera suite here. So you will have looks like cameras back there. Not clear if there'll be something like you can view while you're driving, or if that is just for use with the self-driving. And then there's like a pretty huge trunk here, so you should be able to fit your luggage in there no problem. Maybe even for like snowboard trip. I wouldn't go as far as to say skis, but golf bag maybe. And then really cool light bar here. You can see kind of cycling through, or I don't know if it's meant to be cycling through or they're just having power problems. But yeah, there you go. So this is promised to be under $30,000 if you're interested in getting one. And then you'll be able to, or the promise at least of this is that you'll be able to have it go drive itself around and earn you some money while you're otherwise occupied. And it's supposed to come out in 2026 or at least before 2027. Unclear what the difference there is, but you know, Tesla time. So there it is. And here you can get a sense kind of the scale of it near the Cybertruck. Just quite lifted up. There you go. Alright, so let me know what you think below. Are you ever going to be comfortable being driven around without a human being in the car with you and with no steering wheel or other driver controls? You think Tesla's going to be able to get there? And I don't know, especially now, regulation may be a little bit less strict on these, so could be coming sooner than we think. So I'm curious to know what you all think down below. Alright, well with that, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you out there for another electric adventure soon.